The city is now very quiet, like a dead city. People call it Zombie Town because it was abandoned by its residents after a flash flood struck, causing extreme damage. Many people were swept away with their belongings, and many bodies are still missing, buried under the mud. In this short video, I will take you to Aceh Tamiang, the worst flood-affected area in Aceh, Indonesia. So our destination is to bring aid to Kuala Simpang, but we've just passed Langsa City and it's already almost 9 o'clock. Because there were so many obstacles, our car broke down. We got stuck in traffic because many vehicles were queuing for fuel at the gas station, so we had to refuel on the side of the road. After we take a rest for a moment, we continued our journey. Now we've entered the outskirts of Kuala Simpang, and here we can already smell the pungent stench from the carcasses of animals that are still left behind. And here we can still see the remnants of damage caused by the flood that still haven't been addressed even though it's been more than 2 weeks. Ratna said the car aren't left by their owners, but they were trapped and died inside. Some residents who have lost their homes are seen sheltering in emergency tents set up on the bridge in Kuala Simpang City. Now we are entering the city center. We arrived around 11 p.m. People are still seen standing on the road waiting for passing vehicles to ask for food. If we pass through this city, it's like entering a dead city. No life, no electricity. The whole city is filled with mud, and we can't confirm if there are still bodies that haven't been evacuated. That's why people call it the zombie city. Let's go deeper. We'll see cities that are already destroyed, shops and houses collapsed, vehicles submerged in mud, and there are still puddles of water. Every ambulance that goes by is carrying bodies. Actually, we visited this city on December 13, 2025. That means it's been 16 days since the disaster happened. But the condition of this city is still this severe. Despite this, the government hasn't declared this a national disaster and is reluctant to accept foreign aid in handling the disaster that occurred in Aceh currently. Now we are entering Lintang Atas city to share some food to the residents. According to Ratna, Lintang Atas and Lintang Bawah cities are among the hard-hit area. But if we go into Lintang Bawah city, there's no one left because they have already evacuated to other place. Everything's destroyed by the flood. There's no place left to live. Because the time was already very late, we were no longer able to share 8 packages to the residents. We could only give out food packets to the residents who were still passing by and those on duty at the evacuation posts. After all the food was distributed, we decided to spend the night in Langsa and continue the distribution of 8 packages to the following day at noon. Follow this account for updates as we will present the video in part 2.